Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels. Today I took a ferry out to one of the islands. I heard about this cluster and its ruins and I wanted to check it out. So let's go on a little adventure on one of the islands in Oslo. The monastery at Hovedøya. You're now standing before one of Norway's best preserved medieval ruins dating back to the 12th century. Cistercian Monks. In 1147, a group of 13 Cistercian monks from English monastery came and settled on Hovedøya. The Cisterian order was founded in France in 1098, and by 1150 there were approximately 350 monasteries spread across Europe. The Cistercians were opposed to the elaborate adornment of monastery churches and believed that monastic life should be characterized by simplicity. They built their monasteries on remote sites and were intent on being self-sufficient. A church already stood at Hovedøya when the monks arrived here. Why it had been built and by whom is not known, but the Cistercian monks took it over and expanded it to suit their own purposes. I'll leave some more information about life on a monastery on Hovedøya in the description. End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below if you want me to do more of this historic stuff. See you around, guys. If you only walk on sunny days, you never reach your destination.